Before Apollo became the god of prophecy, before Delphi became the most famous oracle in the ancient world, a terrifying serpent ruled the sacred sanctuary. His name was Python, a monstrous creature born from the earth itself. Python was one of the oldest beings in Greek mythology. He existed before the Olympian gods fully established their power and served as the guardian of one of the most sacred places in ancient Greece. But when Apollo arrived, seeking to claim Delphi as his own, a legendary battle erupted between the old powers of the earth and the new generation of gods. The death of Python would forever change Greek mythology and transform Delphi into the spiritual center of the ancient Greek world. This is the story of Python, the Serpent of Delphi. Python was no ordinary monster. According to Greek mythology, he was born from Gaia, the primordial goddess of the earth itself. Gaia was one of the oldest and most powerful beings in existence. She represented the living earth and was considered the mother of countless gods, titans, giants, and monsters. One tradition states that Python emerged from the mud left behind after the great flood of Deucalion. The flood had been sent by Zeus to destroy the corrupt and wicked humans of the Bronze Age. As the waters receded, the fertile mud of the earth gave rise to new life. From this sacred mud, Gaia created Python. This origin connected the serpent directly to the ancient forces of nature, making him one of the oldest creatures in Greek mythology. Unlike many monsters who simply spread destruction, Python had a sacred purpose. He became the guardian of Gaia's sanctuary at Delphi. Today, Delphi is famous for its connection to Apollo. However, long before Apollo arrived, the site belonged to Gaia. The sanctuary stood on the slopes of Mount Parnassus in central Greece and was considered one of the most sacred locations in the ancient world. The Greeks believed Delphi marked the center of the world. According to legend, Zeus released two eagles from opposite ends of the earth. The birds flew across the world and met above Delphi, revealing it as the world's spiritual center. At this holy site stood the Oracle of Gaia. People came seeking wisdom, guidance, and prophetic visions. Python guarded this sanctuary. Ancient stories describe him as a gigantic serpent or dragon-like creature dwelling within a cave near the sacred spring. His presence ensured that Gaia's sanctuary remained protected from intruders. For generations, Delphi belonged to the ancient Earth Goddess and her serpent guardian. But change was coming. A new god was rising. Apollo was one of the 12 Olympian gods. The son of Zeus and Leto, Apollo was associated with light, music, healing, archery, truth, and prophecy. Even before his birth, Apollo's destiny was extraordinary. The goddess Hera, jealous of Zeus's relationship with Leto, attempted to prevent the child from being born. Yet Apollo entered the world and quickly grew into a powerful deity. Unlike many gods, Apollo represented order, reason, civilization, and enlightenment. As his influence expanded, he sought a sacred place from which he could deliver divine prophecies to humanity. His eyes turned toward Delphi. But Delphi was already occupied. Python stood in his path. The ancient serpent represented an older order connected to Gaia and the primal powers of the earth. For Apollo to establish his own sanctuary, Python would have to be defeated. The confrontation between Apollo and Python became one of the most important myths in Greek religion. When Apollo arrived at Delphi, he challenged the serpent guardian. Ancient accounts describe Python as enormous and terrifying. His scales were as hard as armor. His coils could crush anything they captured. His presence inspired fear among mortals and gods alike. Apollo, however, possessed divine weapons. Most importantly, he carried his legendary silver bow. The battle began. Python emerged from his cave and confronted the young Olympian. The earth trembled. The sacred sanctuary became a battlefield between ancient and new powers. Apollo unleashed a storm of arrows. Again and again, his arrows struck the serpent. Python fought fiercely, but Apollo's aim was perfect. Eventually, the serpent collapsed. The guardian of Delphi was dead. Apollo had won. The victory symbolized more than the defeat of a monster. It represented the triumph of the Olympian gods over older, primordial forces. A new era had begun. Despite his victory, Apollo faced a problem. Python was not merely a monster. He was a sacred creature connected to Gaia. Killing him carried spiritual consequences. In Greek religion, the shedding of blood could create ritual pollution, even when the killing seemed justified. As a result, Apollo was required to undergo purification. Different myths describe this process in various ways, but the message remains the same. Even gods were subject to sacred laws. Apollo's purification reinforced the idea that divine power came with responsibility. After completing the necessary rituals, Apollo officially claimed Delphi as his sanctuary. The site would remain associated with him for centuries. With Python gone, Apollo established what would become the most famous oracle in the ancient world. The Oracle of Delphi attracted visitors from across Greece and beyond. Kings, generals, philosophers, and ordinary citizens traveled great distances seeking guidance. At the center of the sanctuary sat the Pythia. The Pythia was Apollo's priestess and served as the voice of the god. When visitors asked questions, she entered a prophetic state and delivered Apollo's answers. Interestingly, the priestess's title preserved the memory of the slain serpent. She was called the Pythia because of Python. Even though Apollo defeated the creature, his legacy remained permanently connected to Delphi. The serpent was never entirely forgotten. His name lived on through the oracle itself. Apollo's victory over Python inspired another important tradition. The Greeks established the Pythian Games. These athletic and musical competitions were held every 4 years at Delphi. They were considered one of the 4 great pan-Hellenic festivals of ancient Greece. Athletes competed in races, wrestling, boxing, and other events. Musicians and poets also participated, reflecting Apollo's connection to the arts. The games honored Apollo's triumph over Python while bringing together people from across the Greek world. In this way, the memory of the serpent continued to influence Greek culture long after his death. Python carried deep symbolic meaning. Many scholars believe he represented ancient earth-centered religious traditions that existed before the rise of Olympian worship. His connection to Gaia linked him to nature, fertility, mystery, and primordial wisdom. Apollo, by contrast, symbolized order, reason, and civilization. Their conflict may reflect a broader cultural shift within ancient Greek religion. The myth tells the story of new gods replacing older powers, yet it also preserves respect for those ancient forces. Python was not portrayed as purely evil. He was a guardian, fulfilling his duty. Even after Apollo's victory, the serpent remained honored through rituals, titles, and traditions. This complexity is one reason the myth continues to fascinate historians and mythology enthusiasts today. Thousands of years after his death, Python remains a recognizable figure in mythology. He appears in books, documentaries, films, video games, and fantasy stories. Many modern depictions portray him as a dragon-like monster guarding hidden secrets or sacred locations. Others focus on the symbolic battle between old and new powers. The ruins of Delphi still stand in Greece today. Visitors can walk through the remains of Apollo's sanctuary and explore the site where the legendary battle was said to have taken place. Though the serpent is gone, his story endures. Python remains one of the most important mythical creatures of ancient Greece. Python was more than a monster. He was the sacred guardian of Delphi, a child of Gaia, and a symbol of the ancient forces that shaped the world before the Olympian gods rose to power. His battle with Apollo became one of the defining myths of Greek religion. The conflict transformed Delphi into the most famous oracle of the ancient world and left a legacy that lasted for centuries. Even in defeat, Python was never forgotten. His name survived through the Pythia, the Pythian Games, and the countless stories passed down through generations. Thousands of years later, the Serpent of Delphi continues to captivate our imagination. A reminder that every new age is built upon the foundations of the old. And sometimes, even the defeated become immortal through legend. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into Greek mythology, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know which mythical creature you'd like to explore next.